Revit versus ArchiCAD versus VectorWorks versus Sketchup. Which one is better? So let's start with Revit. Revit, developed by Autodesk, is a BIM building information modeling powerhouse. It's not just about drawing walls and placing windows, it's about creating a digital twin of your building, complete with structural, MEP, and architectural details. It's widely used in large scale projects, infrastructure planning, and firms where collaboration between different disciplines is essential. Revit is known for its precision, automation, and integration with other Autodesk products like AutoCAD, Civil 3D, and 3ds Max. ArchiCAD, developed by Graphisoft, is another BIM giant, but it has a slightly different approach. While Revit is often seen as more engineering driven, ArchiCAD has a more design centric workflow, making it especially popular among architects who want powerful BIM capabilities without sacrificing design freedom. It's highly praised for its intuitive modeling, smooth 2D 3D integration, and strong cross platform support with Windows and Mac OS. VectorWorks is known for its flexibility. It blends CAD, BIM, and rendering into one package. It's not as mainstream as Revit or ArchiCAD in certain regions, but it's very strong in industries like landscape architecture, entertainment design, and stage planning. VectorWorks Architect version is tailored for building design and offers high quality rendering via the RenderWorks engine. SketchUp, originally created for quick 3D modeling, has grown into a go-to tool for conceptual design and visualization. While it's not a full BIM platform like Revit or ArchiCAD, it's incredibly easy to learn, lightweight, and has a huge library of user-generated models in the 3D warehouse. Many professionals use SketchUp in early design phases before transferring work to BIM software for detailed documentation. And now for the feature comparisons. In terms of full BIM support, Revit, ArchiCAD, and VectorWorks all have it. However, SketchUp does not. In terms of cross-platform, Revit is the only one without it. In terms of rendering quality, VectorWorks wins here as it has high rendering quality. For learning curve, SketchUp wins here as it is the easiest to learn with a smooth learning curve. Revit is the hardest with the steepest. In terms of industry adoption, SketchUp and Revit wins here, as Revit is the industrial standard while SketchUp is easy to learn. In terms of cost, SketchUp wins here as it has low to medium costs. Revit is the most expensive. For plugin ecosystem, SketchUp has the highest amount of plugins. And finally, in terms of collaboration tools, Revit and Architect win here. SketchUp has the fewest in terms of collaboration tools. And now for the pros and cons. Revit has full BIM capacity. It handles architecture, structure, and MEP in one model, making it perfect for multidisciplinary collaboration. This integration approach reduces errors and improves coordination. It is the industry standard. Many large firms and government projects require Revit proficiency, which boosts career prospects. This also means more job postings expect Revit experience. Strong integration. It works seamlessly with other Autodesk software, making workflows smoother for firms already in the Autodesk system. However, it has a steep learning curve. New users can take months to become proficient because of its complexity and strict modeling rules. It is hardware intensive. Revit requires powerful machines, especially for large models, which can drive up costs. And it has less design freedom compared to ArchiCAD or SketchUp. Revit can feel rigid in conceptual design stages. And now for ArchiCAD. Its pros included being user-friendly. It is more intuitive than Revit, especially for designers who want a smoother learning curve. It's great for design and BIM. ArchiCAD balances artistic freedom with detailed BIM data, ideal for architects who want both creativity and precision. Cross-platform. ArchiCAD runs on both Mac OS and Windows without major compromises. However, it has a smaller user base. In some regions, fewer firms use ArchiCAD, which can limit collaboration opportunities. It has less industry penetration. Certain engineering consultants prefer Revit, meaning extra work for data exchange. Rendering not as strong out of the box. While it integrates with external engines, the built-in rendering isn't as advanced as specialized tools. And now for VectorWorks. It has a versatile toolset. It supports CAD, BIM, and high-quality rendering in one package. Great for niche industries, especially strong in landscape design, lighting design, and entertainment industries. It has a flexible licensing. It offers perpetual licenses, which is rare in today's subscription-heavy market. However, it has less BIM adoption in some regions. While capable, it's not always seen as the first choice for large BIM projects. It is a smaller talent pool, fewer professionals trained in VectorWorks compared to Revit or ArchiCAD. The UI can feel dated. While functional, its interface isn't as modern as newer tools. And now for SketchUp. Its pros include it being extremely easy to learn. It is perfect for beginners and quick conceptualization. It has a huge 3D warehouse. Access to millions of pre-made models saves time. SketchUp is lightweight and fast. It runs smoothly even on less powerful machines. However, it is not a true BIM. It lacks full BIM functionality, meaning you'll need another tool for construction documentation. It has limited precision for complex projects, better suited for conceptual work than detailed modeling. SketchUp has paid plugins that are often required. To match other platforms' capabilities, you may need several paid extensions. And now for the real-world scenario. Let's imagine you're part of an architectural firm designing a mixed-use high-rise. If you're using Revit, your architectural, structural, and MEP teams can all work within one BIM model. The coordination between departments is smooth, but the setup time is longer. If you use ArchiCAD, you'd have more design freedom early on, making it easier to explore creative concepts before locking them into BIM data. If you use VectorWorks, you could integrate landscaping, art, lighting, and interior renders in one environment without switching tools. If you use SketchUp, you'd quickly create and present early 3D concepts to clients, but eventually you'll have to migrate to a BIM tool for technical drawings. So which one is better? Revit is best for large-scale, multidisciplinary BIM projects. ArchiCAD is best for architects who want creativity and BIM balance. And use VectorWorks for niche design fields needing flexibility. And finally, use SketchUp for quick conceptual modeling and presentations. At the end of the day, the right choice depends on your role, project type, and workflow priorities. And that has been an honest comparison between Revit, ArchiCAD, VectorWorks, and SketchUp. So which software are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.